Alrighty, I'm getting ready to open this box full of crystals. I will show you after it is open because it's a pain to get these out. Okay, so this is where we are so far. Woo! Very well packaged. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ooh, all right, let's get into it. I'll be back. So here's a little warning. They put these little glue dots on the crystals to keep them from breaking, and it's telling you don't pull the glue dots off directly, heat it up first, and then pull it off. Which actually that's pretty cool because crystals, if they're real, don't burn in flame, so that's good to know. All right, so that was in package number 1. Oh my God, how pretty are these? So these are, I believe they're Obsidian moon faces. How cool. And yeah, there's the little thing that's telling me, see how big they are. But yeah, big as my hand. Here we go. Cute. Okay, on to the next. Okay, that was package number 2. These are Calcite. Are they cool? Buddha heads. One is purple and one is green. Oh my gosh, so awesome. All right, on to package number 3. Okay, package number 3 had these red strawberry quartz palm stones, and I'm sorry my lighting's not that great, but these are so pretty. Oh, aren't they pretty? But yeah, got these 3. Strawberry quartz is like a thing now. So yes, that's the size. Not bad. Okay, on to the next package. Okay, I'm so giddy right now. So these are unicorn freeforms. And again, I'm really sorry that my lighting's not even better, but these are like purple, pink. There's like some grays and some blues. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So there's these. I cannot wait to look at that. Ooh, okay. And then this last little guy right here. But these are little freeforms. How cute are these? Look, there's a little sparkle. Nice. Love that pink down there. Look at that. All right. On to the next. So in the next package, I have 3 more of the Obsidian moon face towers. So I will put these over here with these guys. They can all hang out together. All right. And on to the next. Okay, and then in the next package was 3 more of the red strawberry quartz. Awesome. All right, and then my next item was this amazing, look at that, tiger eye. This is like a little witch's hat. So cute. Look at that flash on there. How cool. All righty. All right, let's see what else is in here. We're still moving along. Okay, and then I just opened the next package, and these are little wooden spear holders. So when I get a sphere, I'll put it on there. But that's these. I got 10 of those. That was awesome timing because I just got this. And look, if you can see the little shimmer in that. Ooh, do you see that? This is a strawberry quartz sphere. So I can put that on there. Alrighty. Okay, so yeah, this was a little bit heavy. These are flower agate tumbles. I mean, come on. So they're supposed to look like there's flour, in them. How cute are these? Amazing. They're about the size of my thumb, maybe a little bit bigger. Nice. They're so pretty. I love the color. Very kind of milky. Nice. So I think I got like a ½ kilo of these. So cool. Ooh, this guy's got a little druzy on him, and he's got some cute color. Oh wow. Nice. Okay. All right. On to the next. All right, this guy, he's like trying to come out. This is orange calcite. Again, sorry that it's so hard to see. And they kind of look like little fingerling potatoes. But I got these. And then I also got these Opalites. Let me bust in here. These have such a cool sheen on them. Oh, don't you love it? Oh, look at that flash. These are amazing. Just so you know, the Opalites, they're gemstones that have like a treatment on them, so they don't actually come out of the ground looking like this polished, so, but still so pretty. Love it. Okay, on to the next. Okay, so this is Rainbow Moonstone. Let me get these guys out. There's some decent little flash to them, so, oh yeah. Again, with my focusing, or lack thereof. There you go. Oh, do you see the flash? Do you see the flash? Get another guy out here. So pretty. Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah. Ooh. This guy's got like a little bit of druzy on him. See that little bit of flash there too. It's hard to see. Nice. Rainbow Moonstone. Okay, so this one is Citrine. These are little natural citrines. Oh, look at that. And he's got like a little flash going on in there too. This is Citrine. Look at that rainbow. Sorry it's not focusing, but these are Citrine. Okay, and then these are Golden Healer. Look at that. See, look at that. Do you see that rainbow in there? Golden Healer. You can see it. It's in the quartz. You see the gold. That is gorgeous. That's a Golden Healer. And then this last one here. Ooh, and it's getting all over the place. They're falling all over my counter. These, because they're like fire. Fire quartz. Nice little like red tinge. Look at that guy. You can kind of see inside of him. That is so cool looking. Look at that. He's got some nice. Look at that. He's got a little flash too. Sweet. All right. Okay, so here is my haul. These are the black obsidian towers with the little moon faces on them. So cute. These are the strawberry, or I'm sorry, red strawberry quartz. There's the sphere, and then I have a few palm stones, as well as this really cool tiger eye witchy hat, which I just love. Very heavy too. And then coming over here, we've got the 3 unicorn freeforms. We've got the cat's eye Buddha heads, the purple and the green. And then over here we have the orange calcite. And then we have the fire quartz. We've got the rainbow moonstone. And then the citrine. And then I'm super excited to have the flower agate. Amazing. Then the opalite. And then the rutilated quartz. And then these are my little sphere stands. So that is my haul that just came from the wholesaler today. I'm so excited. I'm going to get them all priced out. We'll take some good pictures and we will move on to the next order. Thanks, guys. Bye.